Agu. Ah. Agu. Bra. Now then, last week my friend say, "Bra, be see normal." No one missing normal no.
Bra, I feel the me maybe mu.
Who me feel be? Adey.
Unya keto na se hwe na ma fie ho bi.
Me nua kotoa no. Lake.
Patwane.
What se hwe no one me feel be.
Me ma fie ho bi.
E me see normal bi.
Patwane.
Ono na ka asem kire wo.
Patwane.
Ah. Lake na ka tro se me ma fie o me see normal bi.
Me ma fie ho bi. Me see fie ho bi.
Wo de mate. Wo de me dru fie. Ai.
Bye bye you.
Yo. Lake pa. Lake na to da ya na. Sen binya papa.
Yeah, expensive, but if you fake it, go on. Say life be expensive, but if you fake it, go on. You man the D1 and D1 why? You man the D1 and D1 why? I see say life be expensive, but if you fake it, go on. I see say life be expensive, but if you fake it, go on.
Me anjo na me ko ko. You get ya me man be sisi no mai akusika I want say last week my friends o me see no
me nim say be electrician no
David
na be
I want say last week my friends o me see no ma bi me buy we nsi na me kura man ntimi am sa so buy so wamba and then me na man na me share no na be na then na me say e no ma if every week be abra be see no ma na o me see me share no say wo say hwe na wa nsi fie ha bi na hwe na wa ma ha bi tim no kaka na me so dey you mate ade njina wo so hwe no nsi bi
escape me oba e kura man kan kire ade a akusika beye no ofia ha no ho
ada be dey
senka wo ha ka wo tietia ne yam
it's any say
waba ma yiniema e wo inside amount ti me ko ho na makọ check ba bia odi o moni si ye and why feel buy no see ni breakfast no say na say like baby my breakfast no say hey I abna proto say there abna proto am say abna proto there na proto akra there station tintina was see onim wifi
and
I'm say
onim
ono ni no free you ka ba no emframa kra mpese bi be fa no ho
obi da wo sisi no ma wo ne na wo si woni mo bro free
you ka pa bi na se no na ne homobo an na ne ma me hospital ti no delay 11:30 no obesi ne ma no enti asa one gen na agiu tintina onim no nam se awura mempe abotesem emetweme se branko akire that is the way and na wife bu afu or mama 3 seconds mama gen na mfrifie ha or sesa ne ne ma akọ and I'm say hey baby o kwasa nya abotre
so we dey nka se mu kwa dey nka nya wo asembia
me my yere no kra say oye UK citizen na ono me kra bi nti na odewa ha
yes
ontie the American na all pointing na oni minimum no and then they would deny me I say ati create something bi to say
chinchina
onim no and I'm say na wo ba we ya wo so onim no wo hwe wo ho and wo ya bia wo di gina ho atali basa yo bi na se no and I'm say get na wo so onim no onim no he na me kwa nka me tapo na bokra na me yes me police case bia
so me nim say na issue
say na nka ka ten say scan na yede ebe mo ahumobro ni hu washing machine ye top prepaid 30 cedis kre betuma senior me ofia nyina na wo ahumobro bi ena ade na twan hu a means again na me nyada no o say yi Mozambique ni ba kra
me metia na me nim say bia issue bi na aba na say oba e bia woni na ko na say bibisa but wo oba ono na sisia no nti e benya ba
papa gina
wo ba house woni mu no wo go UK da visa kura woni passport
na problem wo say omu ne say omo sori anopa no munya nidi ya na omakoma ebo
abrochire no ye wota me dididi o breakfast no say amantem na say ko lunch no ma
wo tire ho arrange ekwan amefa so amem na senior ma no we dey say minim say yenko electrician no because asem no obedi na wo ka kire me sese
enti wo ka so wapam no na na dwa me say na like dey wapam wo sese
ahaya nka me tape no anam say Koko me guma wore.
ɛnɛ paa baabi a mekɔhyia no paa
Ukosia na he.
sɛ mekɔ ayi mekɔhwɛ nsase bi wɔ ayi hɔ
Na say ohene no ɔse
ɛhɔ no ayi ne deɛ ɔse bi ɔbɛ issue documents ne bi aba next week nti yɛtwɛn sɛ ɛbɛba
asemo ombetu mani na ya fly.
yɛbɛkɔ job hɔ mfa gyase no ɔde aka ɔmo tontɔn yɛkɔ UK a ɔse
Say life be expensive, but if you faking kwa, say life be expensive.
Ene de watew. Ti town ba kwa ukọ na be 5 hours no.
Nyamia car no kɔsɛ yɛ wa nka yɛ tete no saa
Carburetor na still ana ya mo say
we require do almost fuse ne baabi na wɔyɛ bi ate ya enye wie ne sɛ
ko na ye gu ni pa ni mo sesa.
ɛtimi afa ma kro bɛ sɛ ma jama fitani no
Sɛ wo ba me me den ka me kopɛ some tomatoes ne cabbage ne 1 or 2 bi aba be ye 1 or 2 bi aba wife.
yɛ tɔ ne nyina
Asa. Masa.
mo so mo we cabbage
Ebi
ne no
o say ade achi so a ompe ti se no a ko se osesa kogu that's been him. Ena me koyi hohoro ho na me bi asie. Na dunia wende nti me koto fresh one amana hu. Na me de ba ko na yesi.
ɔmo no mo living na akɔ sɛ
living ya me ti wo mase. Na unia asem eni gisem ha bade.
ade
He Nyankopɔn
religious be o de o dim da religious be na abankwa
ade Nyankopɔn ebeye abrabom no
sɛ
masa unim se me ho e kwa yi White on James program ya botamu ye je family
je for
ena ofre me se afei no mo kototo bele ne nsa wo town ne ade nti me plans ye say table reservation no
omunja table sɛ de bɛ
omunya me table masa me wo ha me ne bote din komo wo ha ena ase me kwa me yes o gise na ase ye kankan na wo se obi aba me sei no amimi pi no wadanti ma understand no wifi oba e ai mama na ni age Ghana oba ye me like I said niema on expecting kwa na me yema no eni ade like I said why you overwhelmed ohun de on kan
sɛ na make a choice e ma na wasi echiche wo mo so e me yo manager
tie nti ne tintin ne tie wotwa mu a ne sɛ osrɛ me a me nkɔfa me passport emra ne mo ne mu ya na on start in process because ontimi nko UK without me waha
processing wako UK
masa
like once me catch
he enkwasi asem su bi a meso agune so waha no sa na wo hia camera pass nka esi me so mas na wo tintimoni asine so wo di so agade
like masa say girls o me real girls we ni ma o be boy abra bo sa film ne franka mo ne ntwa mo
oh na na okra de utim say me dena to abinchi gata ni mo me phone no so o from zini pakura o friend ni number ne da abinchi gata ni
no because girls no on o nya bre na ye dia yo o mabudo ama ye
o mabudo
si o mo do ye
oh hawa wo say wo ntimi mpija ama ne sa entina
ama de ni mudu se me pija ba ko
ko da ji ya na matam no na me de ne nam na ase
sisi a wasem sase kwa gym nya ho
na wo pija ama
mu wo so no kra na de wo ya politank ni mu do boy na se niji sama ba
me say niji sama ba de but won say yemi mu ntamasem secret
na so de enkancho
umbetia
na wo UK
na pa
erade
na ye genge pictures na one side na me say me kwa ho me say da kwa jaba ho
kwaje
eji mi getre nyina asase na da pankro no de
ye beton
masa meton de akoye chen o
no de na
me ye chen sakese na matoto skinny jeans because UK wo menye so eni man tie nya ne boy din o unye obi obe skinny jeans na ho ama ho
ebi ho adana amatundra na meka wo se ada e belando UK no ma be shida de yakọ shopping e do credit card akọ shopping do mama yenti me kwa me fa hwe nko UK ho me kwa me laptop
me die because niam na bi o ma
me kwa brochi akọ pe no ma na ho na no papa o
for the meantime no say o kwa o gangi no mhu say wo ye o bogadada
na me die me kwa brochi akọ na wo kwa brochi na de ntade ko wajimi Obi o be brochure a obesi santade na normal friga na enye ntade o say ye chien o say ye watch o wo kwa brochure so wo to chien friga na ko wajimi wa boda I wanna know
me de me to chains ne nsomade ne bi akọ
shop bi o ho na nayo mo koye ye mo shopping ho na ye be koye shopping unim nayo no gbanyom
da me mama sisa we ni mra inside ana ye ntra kakra
me kwenta answer me hwi ma che ma me check ya ma
ate oh oda ho
okay
oda ho until the me sisa we na ba why
I'm sorry.
Why should you do that?
You like this flower?
Yeah, I really like the scent.
Yeah, the Otalum flower. The Otalum. Yeah, this flower.
It's very fresh too.
Yeah, we bought it from Zambia.
Really?
Yeah, it's a Zambian flower.
Okay.
Yeah, if you go to Zambia, around their airport, you will see this type of flowers from their airport to their township. Yeah, so we bought it from there.
Okay.
It's very expensive.
Yeah, I can
very, very expensive. Yeah, it's not easy to get this type of flower in your house. I think Kumasi, about only 4 people have this type of flower.
Really?
Yeah, despite have some, and Canada, Japan too have some. And
I've heard their names. Then it must be very expensive.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
I like the scent.
Zambian flower, yeah. Oh, by the way, your lunch is ready, so.
Oh, you're such a darling.
Yeah.
That's why I love you so much.
I love you more.
Sweetheart, I wanted to tell you something.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last night my friend discussed with me that she wants to take Lake along when we are going back today.
Yeah, Lake told me.
United
Yeah,
Kingdom.
and I was so happy to hear that because yeah, it's cool. It's cool.
But you know what? I've also planned to take you along with me.
Are you sure?
Very sure, sweetie.
To take me along?
Yeah, very, very sure. Cause
From Kumasi to UK?
yeah, what's the big deal?
I'm gonna stay there. Oh, gonna
Baby, stop that.
No. I'm. It's like I'm forgetting.
No, you shouldn't be forgetting. You don't have to.
It's beyond my limits. I'm getting frustrated.
Oh, you shouldn't be.
I'm too much happy.
I know you will be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've decided to take you along because when we go and leave you behind, I'll be missing you so much.
And I will be missing you too much too. Oh, thank you so much. You are such a darling. You are such a darling. In fact, I don't know what to say. All what I will say is that may God bless you.
Amen.
May God give a long life.
Amen.
May God protect you.
Amen.
May God remove you from all your enemies' hands.
Amen.
And take you to a Panadon heaven.
Amen. Baby. Stop that.
Oh, no,
You're making me feel bad.
Yeah, not that, but I'm so happy. In fact, tonight, I'm not gonna sleep.
I know.
Yeah, I'm
I
gonna
know what
pray,
you can do.
And tonight I will give you the position you like.
I know.
You know. Oh, you are such a darling.
Yeah,
May God bless you in advance.
Bless
Okay.
you more, cause you've been so good to me ever since I stepped a foot in this
What are lovers
house.
for?
Yeah.
What are lovers
yeah.
for?
And you know what? I've already considered you as my husband, even though we're not yet married.
Oh. My God. So where were these ladies? Where were you?
Here
I didn't see you fast.
Don't worry, I'm here now.
Oh, Erazi, a befampa, but I feel the alpha. And here for the alpha.
What did you prepare?
Potato chips.
Yeah.
With salad here. So delicious.
That's
Let's
why
go
I love
enjoy.
you.
Let's go
You
enjoy.
always say I love
Yeah, so let's go enjoy
you.
it.
Always serve me with my favorite.
Yes, I have to do that. Because your wish is my command. I have to do anything you want, anything you like, everything that will make you happy. I have to do that for you.
You.
I'm Mr. Loverboy.
I know.
I know how to treat ladies in a good condition.
I know.
Yo, I feel so happy when I'm working with you. I feel like I'm going to heaven. Do you know sometimes I want to carry you, but
Then carry me.
no, you are you are too heavy.
Don't worry, I will
You're
trim down.
if I do attempt to carry you, my waist will crack. You're